Alright you guys, so today we're going to be taking out the alternator off a 2003 Nissan Sentra SER-SPEC V. This goes for the 2002 to 2006, I'm pretty sure. So I took out the battery because I'm already doing something else to it. It's not running, so the alternator is shorted, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off and take it to my auto parts store. Alright, so first, obviously, go ahead and take off the negative battery terminal if you're not going to take out the whole thing. Then, you want to take off the easy parts, right? You want to take off this ground right here. It's a 10 millimeter. So I've seen videos where people take off the shroud right here. They also take out like the AC compressor and blah 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 and a bunch of shit. So I'm going to help you guys to make it easier, because this is also 10 millimeter bolt right here that you're going to have to take off. I'm going to make it easier to where you guys don't have to take off so much stuff like everyone else is telling you to. Disconnect this. Then there is a bolt right here that you're going to have to take off as well. And this one is a 12 millimeter bolt. Take that off. Then there's a 14 millimeter bolt right here. I'm going to take off. It's actually super hard, to be honest. Alright, so I don't have a 3/8 drive breaker bar, but I do have extensions. And alright, there is this other 14 millimeter bolt that is right here. I'm going to have to take that off. Now what I'm kind of doing is lifting up the alternator a little bit, because we took off that top bolt, so I can unscrew it with my finger. There's not that much room in here, so alright, there's the bolt that came out of there, 14 millimeter as well. At this point, you're going to have to take the bell off of the alternator pulley, and what I did is literally just kind of lifted it up and shoved it to the side, and that totally came off completely fine. I didn't have to mess with the tensioner. I didn't have to jack up the car, take off the wheel, and take off like the wheel well or nothing like that. Then you just jiggle it a little bit more and it comes out free and perfect, except for one thing. No matter how you turn it, it's not going to come out because of this tiny bracket that's being held in with two 10 millimeter bolts. So after you take these off, you'll be able to free your alternator. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your continued support. I hope you got to this video before you started jacking up the car and taking off the wheel, the AC compressor, and tensioner. If this video helped you guys, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe.